Hello, friends. Welcome to Relax and Meditate by KPKC. This is your channel for personal growth, empowerment, and transformation. Today, I want to talk about a force so powerful that it can shape your destiny and redefine your life. What is that? That is the power of motivation. Everyone say motivate yourself, but what is motivation? How do one motivate oneself? It is a very difficult task. It's not that simple as it looks. We have in our life there are so many places where we get stuck, whether it's in our life or in our job or in our relationship, and we have negative people around where to motivate ourselves it becomes so difficult. So in this session we're going to explore how you can harness this incredible energy to move from where you are now to where you want to be. Take one step at a time, my friend. Does it sound a little motivated to you? Yes, but of course, why not? Because I'm going to share my story with you. Maybe that motivates you a little bit. I'm not saying that you will be fully motivated because it's just a small step at each part, each angle of your life. So let's start. Imagine you woke up today morning with a clear sense of purpose, a deep inner drive that propels you towards your dreams. This is not just fantasy, it's something you can cultivate in your everyday life. Motivation is like a fuel that powers the engine of your life. Like without fuel, car cannot run, so without motivation, even a person cannot run. Whether you are studying, whether you are employed, whether you are unemployed, looking for a job, whatever in your life. So without it, even most capable vehicles remain stationary. But you have to navigate through your obstacles and reach your destination. Think about a time when you felt unstoppable, when you were so motivated that nothing could stand in your way. What was different about that moment? What was driving you at that time? Today, I'm going to show you how to capture that feeling and use it to transform every day into a step closer to your dreams. Friends, it's not easy. It is difficult. As people say, I am into day-to-day life and I am also a human being like you. So I will tell you that it's not an easy task. It takes time to be motivated, get motivated. There should be someone in your life to push you to do something that you wish to do. So let me share a story from my own life, a journey that transformed not my circumstances, but my entire mindset. That's why I'm here talking to you in this YouTube channels. I'm a totally new motivator speaker, and probably many people might not like my voice. They might not like the way I speak. They might not like my script. But my script, my lines are out of the common people's life. Hopefully, if you are liking even a small part of it, please subscribe to my channel and share with people who want more motivation in their lives. There was a period in my life where I felt completely stuck. I had dreams, big dreams, but they were so distant, so unattainable. Every day I felt like I was just going through the motions with no real progress or direction. I was trapped in a cycle of self-doubt and hesitation. I was hesitated myself whether I'll be able to do it or not. But one day I decided that enough is enough. I sat down and wrote my goals. No matter how out of reach they seemed, at a single time I visualized myself achieving them, feeling the joy and satisfaction that would come with it. But visualization was not just the beginning. I knew I had to take action, no matter how small. I have taught visualization in my earlier video, but visualizing doesn't mean that you don't do anything. You have to take some steps to the journey of your success. I started setting daily intentions, little tasks that, when I added up, would bring me closer to my goals. So I didn't try to change everything at once. Instead, I focused on one thing at a time. When you're focusing on small things, you have to complete and go the stairs step by step. I began waking up earlier, dedicating the first hour of my day to my dreams. I practiced gratitude, acknowledging the progress I was making, and small progress was that, but yes, I was acknowledging that. As I did, something incredible happened. I started to build momentum. The more I accomplished, more I motivated I became. I did self motivation tasks for myself. Soon those small steps they turned into giant leaps and opportunities started to appear, not because I was lucky there, but because I was prepared to seize them. My confidence built up. My ability to turn my vision into reality was like wow. Today I look back and realize that the biggest change wasn't in my circumstances but in me. I became the person who could achieve those dreams all because I decided to harness the power of motivation. And here are the truth. You have the same power within you, my dear friend. It's not something you have to search or wait to receive. It's already there, waiting for you to activate it. The power to dream big, to push through challenges, and to manifest your desires is within you. It all starts with a single decision. The decision where to believe in yourself and take action, no matter how small those steps may seem. Believe in yourself and take the smallest of the step in the direction of your goals to achieve them. Remember, motivation is just not about feeling, it's a state of mind, commitment to yourself. It's about showing up every day, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. I still make my videos even though nobody watches them. I still do my task even though there are hardly any views. But yes, I know I have to do it, so I do it. I am motivated even with 2 people watching my video. It's about building a routine that supports your goals, surrounding yourself with positivity, and constantly reminding yourself of your why you started, why are you doing this, and why you won't give up. You should have the answer for this why. So, my friends, what's stopping you from taking that first step? Don't hesitate. Take that first step. Take a moment right now to think about what's that you truly want in life. Close your eyes, visualize it, see it, feel it, taste it, write it down, make it real. Then make a commitment to yourself that you will do whatever it takes to make it happen. Start today, not tomorrow, because tomorrow will never come. Okay? Because every moment you want is a moment of wait is lost. सो हर पल ज़िंदगी जीते हैं, हर पल ज़िंदगी आगे बढ़ती है, हर पल लाइफ ख़त्म होती है. तो यू डोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेकेंड, जस्ट डू इट नाउ. Begin by setting one small achievable goal for today that brings you closer to your dream. Maybe it's reading a chapter of a book that inspires you, reaching out to someone who can help you, or simply walking up an hour earlier to work on your dream. Whatever it is, do it with intention, with purpose, and with the belief that you are creating your future. So and reinforce some powerful affirmations and repeat after me. I am motivated. I am capable. I am worthy of success. I have the power to change my life. I am unstoppable. Feel these words as you say them. Let them sink in. They are not just phrases, they are the truths about who you are and what are you capable of. So thank you for joining me today on Relax and Meditate by KPKC. Remember, motivation is just not a fleeting emotion, it's a choice. A choice to keep going, to push forward and never give up on your dreams. It's a daily practice, a journey, not a destination. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. We are together in this journey. If this message resonated with you, be sure to like, share, subscribe for more uplifting content, and let's make the today day start living your life you have always imagined. Together we can achieve anything. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's keep moving forward one step at a time. Thank you and God bless you all.